Hey everyone, so Ms. Welsh says you're all dumb, so I'm going to show you step by step how to make a Kahoot. First of all, you log in using the passcode they give you. Number 2, you pick a name.
No bad names, kids.
A name, you are officially in the Kahoot, and there are either 4 options, 3 options, or 2 options, and each one has a different shape or something. Each option is relevant to one question, and you pick the option that best suits the question's answer, and you get points. So after this, it's pretty self-explanatory. The one with the most points wins the Kahoot. Okay, so that's how you play Kahoot. Enjoy.